It's coming out.
No.
It's not a car.
No.
Let's get out. And the surprise is in this box. Ooh, what is it? It is a dog pool or a mini pool by GoStock. See that?
Wait, so you're telling me we can go in here?
Yeah.
Dang.
Got a doggy sponge. All right, so now we're taking out the pool. It's super easy to just take out the bag. Nothing to it. Has a cork to let the water out because it is heavy. The pool is very durable. So if your dog has long nails, you have nothing to worry about. And ta-da! Easy. Whoa, good job, Johnny. Fill it up. Get inside. He's scrubbing you. He's scrubbing you like a doggy.
Johnny, you get it all great. Get it.
There, that's cool.
I'm telling you, stop.
So J&J kicked the doggy out after giving him a bath, and now they are enjoying themselves in the mini pool, aka doggy pool. Wait, it's gonna go goosh. It's gonna go goosh.
No.
You two in the little mini pool.
Anyway, aren't you?
You're gonna get wet anyhow.
But why are you filling it up?
Because you got in my way, actually. Have a seat, buddy. Come on.
Sit in the water.
Come on, sit down.
You have more.
I don't want to fill it all the way up if you sit in it because it goes higher.
Because when you sit inside the pool, it's gonna go up.
Wait. When you first put your butt on it, it feels so cold. It starts to feel warm.
So your first dragon toss will be here on the black. Your second dragon toss will be here on the slow yellow. Then it's gonna be here where this mark is for your third. Bless you. And your fourth will be on here.
That's
So,
easy.
and your target is the pool.
So it gets easier.
Yep,
Okay.
it gets easier.
I'll go first.
You'll go first.
Johnny,
Jose, Johnny's gonna.
I'm gonna use the first. I'm gonna use the first.
There's 4 dragons, so you have
The
to.
first one is my second one.
Okay, so you have to start in the back. You have to give it to him. Because it's 4 dragons, 4 toss. You'll be okay, you'll get it back. And the target is the pool, the doggy pool. Ooh, very close. You gotta move up. Move up to the yellow slow. Yellow slow. Ooh, you got 2 points. Right where the line is. This is for 3 points. Ooh, 3 points. That's 5. And this is for the bonus. 4. So you got 4 plus 5 is
9.
yes. All right, Johnny, your turn. Give him all the dragons.
So I can get that one. I'll get these ones. Huh?
You should use the heavier dragon in the back.
The heaviest.
Yes, the
They're
heaviest
all
dragon.
The same weight. They're all 25.
They're all 25? 25 what? All right, Johnny, you gotta toss one from there. Watch
We
out.
have another dragon.
Aim for the water. Okay, good try. Move up to the yellow. Slow. Right there. Come on. Yep. Stand on the yellow slow. Oh, it's okay. Good try. Move up to the line where Jose has. You gotta aim. Okay. It's okay. And then this one, you gotta make this one. Redo. Oh, it's okay. Try again. Johnny's not happy. It's okay.